In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make YouTube Shorts in DaVinci Resolve. We're going to walk through the full process of setting up your project, editing your footage for a vertical format, improving the sound and visuals, and exporting it properly so it's ready for YouTube Shorts. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve and creating a new project. Before you begin editing, set up your timeline for a vertical video. Change the resolution to 1080 by 1920, which gives you the standard 9:16 aspect ratio. This is the ideal format for YouTube Shorts because it fills the screen properly on mobile devices. Next, set your frame rate to match your footage, usually 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. Matching the frame rate helps your video look smooth and consistent. After that, import your video clips into the media pool so everything is ready for editing. Once your project is set up, move on to editing and optimizing your short. Add your clips to the timeline and start trimming away any unnecessary sections. Since YouTube Shorts should stay under 60 seconds, it's important to keep the pacing tight and focused. As you edit, use cuts, zooms, and transitions to help maintain viewer attention. Short-form videos move quickly, so even small visual changes can make the content feel more dynamic. You should also add captions and on-screen text to improve engagement and make the video easier to follow, especially for viewers watching without sound. When framing your shots, make sure the most important content stays in the center of the screen. This is especially helpful in a vertical format where side space is limited. A strong hook in the first 3 seconds is also very important because it gives viewers a reason to keep watching. A simple editing workflow is to place your clips on the timeline, cut out the weak parts, then add captions and effects once the main structure is finished. After the edit is locked in, refine the audio and visuals. Go to the Fairlight page to adjust audio levels so your dialogue is easy to hear. You can add background music and sound effects, but keep them balanced so they support the video instead of overpowering it. Clear audio makes a big difference in retention. Then head to the color page to apply color correction and improve the overall look of your footage. If needed, enhance the video further with transitions and motion effects. Finally, go to the Deliver page to export your short. Choose MP4 with the H.264 codec and make sure the export resolution is set to 1080 by 1920. Once the file is ready, upload it to YouTube and add a title, description, and hashtags. If you want help writing your content, you can use a prompt like create a 60-second YouTube short script about productivity tips with a strong hook and call to action.